Welcome to Tech Help Guy. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn or shut down your iPhone. So in order to shut down your iPhone, the steps are very easy. If you have an iPhone 10 or lower, all you need to do to shut it down is to hold the button on the right hand part of your iPhone. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to hold down that button right there for a couple of seconds, and then a slider at the top of your iPhone should appear. I'm just going to slide that to the right, and as you can see, my iPhone has been powered off successfully. If I want to turn it back on, all I need to do is to hold down that button on the right for a few seconds again, and we're just going to wait for it to load up here. And as you can see, the Apple logo has come up and your iPhone has been turned on. So this applies to the iPhone 8, the iPhone 10 X series, and any iPhone within that time frame. If you have a newer version of the iPhone, I mean iPhone 11, 12, 13, all the way down to 16, it's a little bit different. For you to shut it down, you need to hold the volume buttons. You need to press up and down and then hold the power button. So it's like volume up, volume down, and then hold the power button, and your iPhone should turn off successfully. And that's how you turn off an iPhone. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Make sure to smash that like button and consider subscribing to our channel for fire updates on anything tech.